I'm attempting to go viral. Disappeared into literally myself. Losing my voice for some reason. My eyes so red. Did go viral, sort, but at what cost? Hello, Pookie. Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. For today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little extra special. I am attempting to go viral on Instagram. Yup. I think my Instagram is quite stuck. My reels get maybe 1 to 2k views, maybe on a good day 4k, and my followers aren't growing either. I'm quite stuck. And I'm going to take up this challenge on attempting to go viral. So let's do it together. I have put on some glasses on because this is serious business. I may be looking crazy, but that's okay because we are going to stick to business. I will say one of the main reasons why I think my Instagram is so stuck is because I don't post regularly. I expect myself to post once a week and be like, oh, it's gonna blow up. That's not how it works, right? So I'm gonna be changing that. The main reason behind these glasses was because I went through Instagram Reels. I researched it and stuff, and I've come up with 5 categories that I've seen the most on my Explore page. That are fashion, relatable, trending, transition, and dance. So what I'm going to be doing is making a reel for each category and be posting them throughout the week. And let's see if that goes viral. So let's do that. Anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. See you. Hello. So for the relatable part, there is this reel that is trending. It's this one where people are like straightening their hair. So I am thinking I'll do the straightening hair part. My hair looks good is equal to I feel good. I think it's a girl thing that no matter what, like if your makeup looks shit or like you've not put makeup, your outfit is shit. But if your hair is perfect and it's like a good hair day, you feel good and you think you look good. Like that is quite relatable for most of the girlies. So I'm gonna make that. Okay, this is the setup I went with. This is me. Hello. The camera I was filming with. Anyway, I think that is done. Let me show you guys the reel. Hey guys, so for this transition segment, I'm thinking I want to add a little bit of Bollywood tadka, Bollywood sauce. That's why I'm dressed up so like sajawa in traditional, which I love. I'm wearing jhumkas for the first time, which I never have worn before, and I'm wondering why I didn't. For this transition, Laila Majnu just came back to theaters once again, and people are obsessed with it, obviously. And so this audio called Oh Meri Laila is trending, and people are like doing transitions and wearing like these beautiful Indian attires, and I was like, why not jump on the bandwagon? Iske liye main bhi looking all traditional decided to do so. Let's see how that goes. Hi, it's 2 days later, and as you can tell, it is still freaking gloomy. Can you see me? Wait. Can you even see me? Okay, whatever. It's been 2 days and it is still gloomy as hell. And I'm going to be filming the first part of the transition. So the transition part is over.
One eternity later.
Okay, so for this section trends part, I'm doing the real or fake wala video, and the real part I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna start eating healthy from now, no more junk food. And the fake part is obviously eating junk food. So here's my delicious snacks, and when I reach home, like my mom's house, I will be eating the junk food.
Real or fake? Real! Oh no! Fake!
So I'm back. I am filming the fashion aspect or like the fashion part of this video, and I thought of that. Ooh, emergency! Doing that one. I just filmed the first part. I'll show you guys that. So my eyes so red for whatever reason. Who we're working with, I will quickly start changing my outfits and stop talking. You guys will see a montage. Okay, so I'm wearing outfit number 2. Now the issue is my tripod for like my phone has moved so many times. I'm so freaking scared about how it's going to like transition. But let's just let's continue. The purple outfit that I was filming, for some reason it has freaking disappeared. So I'm done filming, I think, all of my emergency fashion reel. The only thing I have left right now is the first outfit that got deleted. I have to rewear that, so I'll do that. I put the fit on again. I literally want to disappear, but it's okay. Last part and then we're done. Hi, it's me, and for the dance section, I was either thinking I would do Dade County Dreaming by Camila Cabello, which is chef's kiss, or I would do Touch by Cat's Eye, which is also incredible. The only problem is with my setup, doing Touch is impossible, so maybe next time I might do it. I cannot stop wearing these glasses. They're my favorite thing in the world. Anyway, I'm doing Dade County Dreaming by Camila Cabello, so let's do that. Okay, a change of scenery was a must, but let me break down to you what exactly is going on. Plan A did not make me go viral, but it did break the cycle of getting about 2 to 4k views per reel, which is good. Now I had posted a reel of me just in a black outfit that not popped off but did decently well. It got like 80k, which is not bad but not viral. In the sequence of categories that I had shortlisted, the relatable video did decently well. It got 20k, which is not bad but not great either. Anyway, that is a start, but we have so much more to do. For plan B, we're going to be focusing more on posting viral and trending content. So let's do that. So I was going through my reels and found a couple trending one. There's a disco dance that's trending that I can do. Then there is like the financially responsible audio celebrity look alike, the Estee dance. There are a couple ones. So let's see if they work, and I'll get back to you guys once I've posted them and seeing how they perform. Hello Pookie, I am back, and this is the end of the video. I'm also losing my voice for some reason, but that's fine. But plan B did succeed, meaning my video did go viral, sort of, and I'm glad about it. But at what cost? Because the hate I've gotten is so much. It's totally fine, I'm fine. Anyway, this is what we started with, and this is where I'm at now. I'm honestly proud of myself, not that bad. So now we're gonna go into the numbers. Post a couple videos that did decently as well. I'm talking my dance one. This one got about almost 30k views, which isn't bad. And I did a relatable, financially responsible one, got about 85.6k, which is also decent. But the one that popped off was the trend where you have to compare yourself to your celebrity lookalike. And I've been told I look like Khushi Kapoor. Not that I'm trying or wanting to be looking like her. No, just been told that I look like her. So I did that. Harmless trend. And the hate I've gotten is crazy. But anyway, thanks to the haters, I have succeeded in this challenge with about almost 900k, almost a road to million views. It's 878 at the moment that I'm filming this, and hopefully it'll reach a million. But we did kind of succeed. Anyway, keep hating to the haters, I don't really care. And there are also really nice people in the comments that I appreciate. Anyway, point is, the challenge was low-key a success, and I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see me do more videos like this, let me know. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.